Hey y'all, so I'm going to make this intro really quick because I'm excited to get this install done. We met Tire Minder at the Frog Rally and we walked by their booth and they said, hey, would you like to hear about Tire Minder? Well, I don't like our TST system and haven't because it cycles through the tires. I can't see all of them at once. Anyway, we walked by their booth and the guy said, would you like to hear about Tire Minder? And I said, only if it integrates into Apple CarPlay. And he said, as a matter of fact, it will in 2 weeks. So I told the guy, if I buy this thing right now, can you make it work with our truck and CarPlay? So we have, as far as my knowledge, other than Michael Pestelli, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Anyway, he's the software engineer. He actually directly connected to my phone, pushed the software update to it. So we have the first version of this and we're going to go install it on the truck, see if it works. Everybody else will get this in about 2 to 3 weeks. But for right now, this new system from Tire Minder is Apple CarPlay capable. All right, so I know nothing about Tire Minder. It looks like you get this Bluetooth monitor thing, and I'm not sure if we have to still use this or not. And you get 4 sensors, and then you get some literature and a manual and all that. So you'll have to bear with me because the software that we have, it's not public software yet. So I'm going to fumble through this and see if I can get all of this to sync up and then tie into CarPlay on the truck. And so here we go. I'm not going to show y'all I'll show y'all the steps of syncing one of these to a tire. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up Tire Minder. And it shows disconnected. Then there's a button right here on the top.
The Bluetooth adapter is connected.
So it tells you when it's connected. So now that that's connected, I think what we've got to do is we've got to hit connect and then each one of the sensors. All right, so in here, you got the sticker. I pulled this thing out. You've got your Bluetooth extender. Yes. All right, so you get enough batteries for, how about that, 2 replacements, a lock to keep them on. You get all your power controls or whatnot to charge everything. So what we need first are these. The cap, just like the TST, just screws off. You slide the battery in. And we're gonna see if we can figure out how to. Alright, so the good thing about being at the Frog Rally, I can't figure out how to register these because this is not the actual software. And I've got a feeling that because I'm in a different mode, alright, so we're in the truck. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. And start the Tire Minder.
The Bluetooth adapter is connected.
And we will connect that right there. So we're too far away.
Didn't we get an extender with it?
Yep.
Should we go get it?
Yep, I guess I'm going to have to do that. Alright, so here we are. This is my cell phone. I've got it on its charging dock. That is the Bluetooth connector that connects via Bluetooth and acts as an intermediary between the 4 sensors and the cell phone. So that can go above the sun visor. But you click the CarPlay. You can see I've got Tire Minder right here, and it automatically comes up, and that's the information it provides. I've got an issue with the rear driver, so I'm going to have to go get them to swap that out, but this absolutely 100% integrates into CarPlay. I mean, it's there the whole time. I can go to music, back to Tire Minder. It reconnects via Bluetooth for a sensor that is already known, and then it populates. Alright, so this thing comes with basically a Bluetooth booster, and I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but this is just the exhaust vent from the battery, and since we run lithium, I have that disconnected, and then I just took one of the screws out right there and screwed that in to hold it in place, and then it's got alligator clips in it, and it slipped right between those vents very, very easily. I didn't have to cut anything or anything. Very easy install. So I think this one is done. In my opinion, the install was very easy. You simply open up the app on your phone, you hit assign sensor and then learn sensor. It picks up the sensor right there at the wheel. You don't have to worry about another sensor being picked up. Then you mount your booster, you put your repeater in the truck above the visor, turn your cell phone on, and boom, it's right there in CarPlay. So very pleased with it. We're going to tow with it this weekend. We'll give you some thoughts. We're actually probably going to have to put a video together on our thoughts of the hitch, this, several other things that we've put in the rig, and we'll let you know then. But for right now, the install is easy. It appears to work. Didn't have any issues with it, so all done.